This is the ginger. I'm going to use ginger leaf to make barbecue. Making barbecue with ginger leaf. I have no idea what will come out. So far, so good. It's getting better and better. Here are the results. Looks very good. Actually, we tested. It's perfect. So for sure, people can use ginger leaf to make barbecue. We just harvested this Thai ginger from our backyard. They are really good for making soup. After cutting them into pieces, they look like this. When you make a soup or even cooking crawfish, you can put a few pieces of this into your pot. They should make your soup or crawfish very delicious.